Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm with this customer that has a 2001 BMW 330 Ci, and we ran into a common problem and we found out what it was with this smoke machine. It's very easy to use. You just connect it either to the front of the car on the terminals or back here, and what it does is basically it throws smoke. I smoked it through here, through the gas cap, and I put like a little towel to block the gap right here. I put a towel. I made sure to look at the gas cap as well. It has the blue gasket, so that means it's been replaced before. If it's green like this right here, that means it hasn't been replaced, and that's probably where your leak is coming from, the vacuum leak for your Evap. All right. The next thing we did after it started smoking is we went in here, we took off the seat. It's pretty easy, you just pop it up. It's held on by this latch on both sides. And there's gonna be 4 bolts, 10 millimeter, 4 on that side. You just lift up this flap right here, as you can tell. 4 10 millimeters on this side, and that's just to see if there's any smoke coming out of the fuel pump. Okay, so now after that you want to go under here and look at all these fuel lines right here, these where they run down to. Right here there's a plastic cover held on with 8 millimeters, like 3 of them, and then 2 up top up there, and then that cover will come off, and you will notice these right here could sometimes be brittle. Right here, in our case, it was this one right here that connects. It runs from here, this little elbow right here, you guys can see. Okay, it runs from here all the way to the up there, all the way to the intake boot, I believe. And the other spots you guys could check is you'd have to take off that passenger rear wheel and then unbolt the cover to see if anything in there is leaking. Usually there'll be a little bit of vapor coming from the canister, so it'll be normal if you smell a little bit of fuel coming from there, but usually you mainly want to focus on these around look around the fuel tank to see if it's wet, if it's really wet, and then come back down here, check all these. And usually what happens is, like, this plastic line connects to a rubber hose and it gets brittle, and that'll throw off your Evap leak, as you could tell. All right guys, just wanted to share that. Hope it was helpful.